Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon, magluluto tayo ng fried chicken wings, guys, for my dinner. I'm going to cook fried chicken wings for my dinner. Today is Saturday. Lilinisin ko yan ng asin muna, guys, bago ko siya i-marinate sa kalamansi, fish sauce, and garlic bago ko siya i-fry. Okay, guys, sugasan lang natin muna. Nandiyan yung kalamansi, garlic, patis. Kaya konting magisarap, guys, pang palasa. We marinated for 1 hour before we fry. Okay? So, see you later, guys, after 1 hour. Pag-i-fry na natin. Bye! Welcome back. Dito natin na, guys, chicken wings. Ito yan ang ano natin. Ayan yun mo. Ayan na yung oil. Meron dito yung sabaw, guys. Baboy yan, guys. Sabaw na baboy. Yun dito. I-marinate ko yan, guys, ng ano. For dinner, guys. Hi guys, ayun na yung chicken wing, guys. Luto na. Sarap. Ayun yung sasawan niya, soy sauce, kalamansi, sili, saka bawang, konting suka. Ayun na yung kanin, guys, jasmine rice. Lulutuin na natin yung stir fry cabbage. Ayan, stir fry local. Dito kasi magandang i-partner din sa chicken wings, guys. Wala akong maisip na i-partner ba. Kaya ito na lang, cabbage ulit. Pag high blood ka, lagi ka magkain ng cabbage o gusto mong mag-diet. Itong maganda. Gulay. Kaya mag-cabbage soup. If you want to diet or you high blood, you eat this cabbage. Na guys, mamaya magdi-dinner na tayo. Ulam natin chicken wings, saka chicken wings, fried chicken and stir fry cabbage. Okay guys, later. Ayan na yung stir fry butcher, stir fry cabbage. Ito langaw na yan. Ayan na guys. Kakain na tayo maya-maya, guys. Takpan muna natin at may gagawin pa ako. Hey guys, dinner time tayo, guys. Ayun na yung ulam ko. Yung sabaw ng buto-buto ng baboy yan, guys. Saka yung red radish. Maganda sa katawan yan eh. Kain tayo, guys. Ang dinner. Hey guys, let's eat. Hey guys, let's eat. Kandang dinner, guys. Habang nanonood ako kay George, sumait yung ano niya, live screen. Masarap to, guys. Niluto ng partner ko to. Binasabaw. Sausawan ko sa chicken wings. Ayan o. Malapit na ako mag 1K guys. Tulungan tayo. Sarap. Masarap yung stir fry gabbits guy. I-partner mo sa chicken wings, fried chicken wings. Kaon guys, let's eat. Makan, chufan. Kain. Tapos nang kumain, saging na naman. That's it for today guys. If you're new here in my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and comments below, and click the notification bell if I have a new video, you must know. Okay? Bye! See you next time guys. Thank you for watching.